Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine sauce. Creating a delicious wine sauce elevates any meal, adding depth and richness. We will cover the simple yet crucial steps to achieve a perfect sauce every time. You'll learn how to choose the right wine, prepare your ingredients, and master the art of reduction. This guide will help you transform everyday dishes into something truly special with minimal effort and maximum flavor. For a classic wine sauce, you'll need just a few key ingredients. Start with about 1/2 cup of a dry wine, like a Pinot Noir for red or a Sauvignon Blanc for white. Avoid anything sweet. You'll also need 1 small shallot and 1 clove of garlic, both finely minced. Have 1 cup of your preferred stock, chicken, beef, or vegetable, and 2 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter cut into small pieces, ready to go. The cooking process begins by sautéing your minced shallots and garlic in 1 tablespoon of butter until they are soft and fragrant, about 2 minutes. Next, pour in your 1/2 cup of wine to deglaze the pan, scraping up all those flavorful brown bits. Let this reduce by about half over medium-high heat. Then, add your 1 cup of stock and continue to simmer, allowing the sauce to reduce and slightly thicken, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Once your sauce has reduced to your desired consistency, remove it from the heat. This is the perfect time to whisk in your 2 tablespoons of cold unsalted butter, 1 piece at a time, to add a beautiful sheen and richness. Season with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. For an extra smooth finish, you can strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve. Serve this exquisite wine sauce immediately over your favorite steak, chicken, or roasted vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.